Ever pondered on the countless ways the online world can help you earn some extra cash? Well, you're not alone. In fact, a growing number of people are turning towards the digital sphere to supplement their income, gain financial independence, or even transition into full-time online entrepreneurship. The online world is far from a barren desert. It's an abundant oasis, brimming with opportunities ripe for the taking. The internet, if harnessed properly, can be a goldmine for those willing to put in the time and effort. It's not just a communication tool or a source of entertainment, but a platform for innovation, creativity, and economic growth. Today, our focus is on 5 proven strategies that can help you generate revenue in the digital world. But we won't be discussing vague concepts or untested theories. Instead, we'll delve into concrete methods that have turned ordinary internet users into successful digital entrepreneurs. Each of these strategies can potentially transform your online presence into a thriving, revenue-generating venture. From leveraging the power of social media and content creation to mastering the art of online selling and freelancing, we'll provide an overview of effective strategies you can start applying today. The tips and insights we share can help you generate value, monetize your skills, and tap into the vast potential of the online marketplace. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be immense. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and prepare to embark on a journey that could potentially change your financial future. We're about to journey deep into the world of online money-making strategies, so kick back and we embark on our exploration with the inaugural method, freelance writing. This journey commences on platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr, where you can interact with potential clients, establishing connections and building your network. These platforms serve as a stage for showcasing your mastery over the written word and your ability to create engaging content. To make an impression, it is crucial to establish an alluring profile. It should bring forth your capabilities, your specialties, and your unique style. Venture into the realm of bidding for diverse writing assignments. Here, the spectrum of tasks is broad and varied. You may find yourself writing everything from short, punchy blog articles, ebooks. Each assignment is a new opportunity to hone your skill and broaden your portfolio. In the early stages of your freelance writing career, your compensation may initially hover around the $20 per hour mark. This, however, is just the tip of the iceberg. As you further hone your valuable experience, it's quite plausible to see a considerable augmentation in your compensation. The trajectory of your growth as an independent writer is not linear. It's an exhilarating journey that begins at a modest pace of about $20 per hour. But as you evolve and solidify your reputation in this vast field of freelance writing, there's potential for exponential growth. Earnings can easily rocket to an impressive $100 per hour or even beyond, redefining your financial landscape. The second method we're delving into is online tutoring. This approach isn't solely centered around the objective of generating income. It's about passing on the wealth of your expertise and competencies. This modality provides you with the golden chance to engage directly with learners scattered across different corners of the globe. Are you famed for your mathematical prowess, hailed as a creative soul in the realm of art, or celebrated as a language enthusiast who effortlessly switches between tongues? Perhaps you're a maven of codes, weaving magic in the digital space? Or do you possess the unique knack of simplifying intricate theories, making them digestible for the uninitiated? If the answer to any of these questions is a resounding yes, the online tutoring world might just be the perfect landscape for you to flourish. The powered platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com serve as the perfect conduits, bridging the physical divide between you and a global audience eager to learn. These platforms bestow upon you the flexibility and autonomy of deciding your own timetable, making it a conducive choice for those who value their liberty to choose. Earnings, as in any profession, can vary significantly. A multitude of factors come into play when determining your income, your level of expertise, the breadth of your experience, and the demand for the subject matter you're offering, some factors that could influence your earning capacity. This could result in a range stretching from $20 at the lower end to $60 per hour at the higher end. Hence, the beauty of online tutoring lies in the fact that it's not only an avenue for contributing to the growth and development of others, but it's also a lucrative opportunity to earn a substantial income. This means you're contributing to someone's growth and development, but you're also earning a substantial income from it. Next up is the world of affiliate marketing. This exciting frontier opens up a multitude of opportunities for individuals to advertise and promote a myriad of company goods and services. Imagine transforming into an online marketing aficionado, closing deals and facilitating transactions all over the World Wide Web. Your primary responsibility is to ignite sales through your unique referral link. This referral link is your golden ticket, enabling you to earn a commission on each successful purchase facilitated through it, thereby turning your digital marketing activities into potential income sources. This affiliate marketing phenomenon has been brought into the limelight through notable platforms like Amazon, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms have revolutionized the landscape by offering a diverse range of products that are ripe for promotion. Whether it's electronics, fashion, or home goods, there's a product and a related audience for every affiliate marketer out there. These platforms are like bustling digital marketplaces, teeming, waiting for their chance to be noticed and bought by the vast customer base. The income generated from affiliate marketing is as dynamic as the marketplace itself. It's not a monolithic fixed amount, but rather it ebbs and flows, fluctuating extensively. This fluctuation is largely due to several factors, the most significant being the nature of the product you choose to promote and the commission rate set by the merchant. This variability, however, should not deter potential affiliate marketers. On the contrary, with the right marketing strategies and tactics, a consistent effort to understand and tap into market trends, and a deep understanding of the target audience, affiliate marketing can become Our fourth method is selling products online. This venture, dear viewers, transports you into an electrifying digital marketplace teeming with countless opportunities, especially if you're an owner of distinctive or handcrafted items. Perhaps you have a passion for knitting intricate scarves, or you spend your weekends crafting exquisite jewelry, or maybe you've collected a treasure trove of vintage memorabilia over the years. These unique, cherishable pieces can each command a handsome price tag and find loving new homes through the virtual world. In this constantly evolving digital ecosystem, platforms like Etsy and eBay have emerged as front runners. They act as global bazaars, bringing together sellers and interested buyers from all corners of the globe. To tap into this immense potential, you must create a visually appealing online storefront. This virtual shop window will serve as a showcase for your products. Precision is paramount during this stage, as every item must be catalogued meticulously. You have to accompany each product with high-quality, clear photos that catch the eye, and pair them with compelling descriptions that tell a story. Highlight the unique attributes of your offerings, such craftsmanship, or the inspiration behind them. Once your virtual shop is set up and your products are on display, all that's left is to start selling. Though it's a thrilling yet demanding adventure with careful management and dedication, it can reap significant financial rewards. Remember, in the world of online selling, your success is directly proportional to your creativity and effort. Finally, we delve into the realm of online surveys. This bustling digital marketplace is a hub where companies connect with consumers to gain valuable insights and perspectives. The process is uncomplicated, accessible to anyone with internet access and a little spare time. To get started, you need to register yourself on reliable portals such as Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. These platforms act as efficient facilitators, bridging the gap between companies seeking consumer feedback and individuals willing to provide it. The tasks you undertake are versatile and can range from engaging in surveys, responding to multiple choice questions, to providing constructive feedback on products or services. The subject matter is not set in stone. It is incredibly diverse, carefully designed to accommodate your personal preferences and areas of expertise. You could be providing feedback on everything from technology to fashion, food products to entertainment services. The primary appeal of participating in online surveys lies in the compensation. In exchange for your time and insights, you are rewarded. The form of rewards varies. It can either be cash or gift cards. It's important to note that while this might not replace your main income, it does serve as a consistent source of side income. It's an opportunity to not just earn a little extra, but also to have a say in the decision-making process of various industries. By sharing your opinion, you are influencing future products and services, contributing to trends, and playing an active role in market research. Participating in online surveys not only offers a dependable side income, but also gives you the power to shape future products. And so there you have it. 5 strategies to make money online. The first strategy revolves around freelance writing. If you possess a knack for words, this can be the ideal option. Transform your talent into a thriving income source by undertaking a variety of writing projects. The second strategy is online tutoring. If you specialize in any area of knowledge, you can utilize it others. It's not just lucrative, but also rewarding as you get to disseminate your wisdom to eager learners. The third lucrative strategy is marketing. This approach allows you to generate passive income by endorsing products you trust. You can earn a commission for every successful sale. The fourth strategy is selling products online. This can encompass anything from homemade crafts to digital goods. It's about identifying and catering to your market segment. The final strategy is participating in online surveys. Companies are always on the lookout for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for your honest opinions. The digital arena is similar to a gold mine, teeming with potential opportunities. These strategies are merely the tip of the iceberg. They're waiting to be discovered and leveraged for your financial benefit. Dive in and start